ang beach scene. So what is beach scene? The size of the beach scene depends on the depth of operation, number of fishermen involved, use of bangka, availability of pull rope, haulers, and target species. So, ang size ko na sa beach scene is it depends sa kung ano kadalumon ang ilang gina sa ila operation. Kag kung pila ang fishermen nga ma-involve, kung pila ka bangka ang makagamit, kag kung pila ang available nga haul, kag ang target species nila. So, depende kung ano kadako, ano kadamo. A majority of beach scenes have lengths varying from 500 to 200 meters and depth of 2 to 10 meters. In some nets, the wing uses nylon, multi-filament 210B over 2 to 210B over 9 with a mesh size of 10 mm to 130 mm. The body uses net of 210/4 to 6 with 20 to 35 mm mesh size, while the bag is also 210B over 6 but has a finer mesh of 10 mm. So other nets use the polyethylene B net with 13 mm mesh size as the main webbing or wing. The bag portion is sometimes long, but the majority range from 10 to 20 meters. The mesh size also vary. The milkfish fry net uses polyethylene net with a diameter of 0.1 mm and mesh size of 1 mm. The head rope has a length of 10 meters and the net is dragged by 2 men along the shore. In most of the beach scenes, pull ropes and usually PEDA 16 mm with length of 100 to 400 meters. The triangular bridle is PEDA 12 mm, which is tied to the lower and upper end corners of the wing portion. So next is boat scene. Nets have wings on both sides, the central body and the bag. The most commonly used netting is polyethylene 400D/6 to 12 and mesh sizes of 25 mm to 60 mm. The scaring rope is usually polypropylene or polyethylene with a diameter of 6 mm to 15 mm and the length of 200 to 1,200 meters for each side. Sinkers and plastic strips are inserted at regular intervals in between the strands of the ropes. The stone or concrete tom weight with 2 wings weighs from 50 to 400 kg depending on the scale of operation. So outer trawl or the baby trawl. These are 2 net designs employed. The most common is the V-shaped net where cutting is mostly all bars and the length is about 13 meters. So the ground rope is usually longer by 1 meter than the head rope. The common mesh size ranges from 20 to 30 mm. The wooden outer board measures 97 cm long by 33.5 cm wide. So ang iya kalabaon is 97 cm long. Ang iya kalapadon is 33.5 cm. Operation is conducted by 2 to 3 fishermen. The second design resembles the 2-seam trawl net for the medium and lunge type trawls. The cutting rates for each panel vary with combination of mesh bar cutting. It has a length of 15 meter and mesh sizes from 20 to 35 millimeter. The outer board is similar in size and shape to the board used by the shrimp baby trawl net. The ground rope is longer. The ground rope is longer than the head rope by about 2 to 6 meter. So next is otter trawl, medium size. Some nets have no overhang while others have short wings. The net has a length range of 30 to 50 meter and uses a combination of polyethylene netting in the wings and bellies, while nylon, multi-filament, and corallon is used in the lower portions. The mesh sizes range from 203.2 mm in the wings to 19.05 mm in the butt. The outer boards are rectangular and flat, made of wood, but iron bars are placed on the lower side to add weight. Its length varies from 100 to 200 cm and is from 50 to 100 cm wide. So otter trawl lunch type. The materials for the bigger size nets is polyethylene ranging from 400D over 15 to 400D over 48. Others use nylon materials. Yes. In the Lingayen Gulf, the otter boards vary from 1.4 to 1.6 meter long by 70 to 80 centimeter wide, wooden, and are of a rectangular flat shape. The sweep lines have a length of 72 meters and are attached to the upper and lower ends of the wings. So in Manila Bay, trawls are equipped with a capstan winch to haul the warps and for lifting the catch on board. The two-seam type of a net is used with 160mm to 300mm mesh sizes using nylon twine of 210 over 33 to 210, 72, and 24mm mesh size. The other board, which are made of rectangular wood measuring from 100 to 120 cm wide and 200 to 230 cm long. The weights vary from 80 to 150 kg each. Pair trawls, the net is hand woven part by part and joined to form the wings, upper and lower bellies, and cod end of the trawl. The head rope is made of 12.7mm dia plastic covered steel cable and polyethylene twine and serves as the hanging line where the floats are attached. There are 26 red plastic floats with a 2.5 cm hole dia. The centimeter of floating has a blue plastic float of the same diameter as a marker. The foot rope is made of steel cable also covered with plastic and 12.7mm diameter polyethylene twine. There are 280 lead sinkers weighing 1.5 kg each. So my last part is surface gill net. The common gill net is made of nylon, multi-filament, 210D over 2 with a 14.5mm mesh size. The sardine or the mackerel gill nets have the same operation but bigger mesh size of 30mm and 42mm are used. The garfish gill net is made of nylon monofilament of 0.4mm diameter with mesh sizes ranging from 40mm to 45mm. The net is 3 meter deep with a low hanging rate of 35%. The scare line is 400 meter long, made of PE diameter 5mm with plastic strips. Meanwhile, the flying fish gill net is made of nylon monofilament of 0.2mm diameter with a mesh size of 30mm. And that's all of my report. Thank you, ma'am. Merry Christmas.